Okay, I'm making this clip right now because I'm so excited that I have to wait till my husband gets home to open it. But my parents got me a boo basket, but in this case it's called a boo box. I already covered up the words and everything so no one can see it. But let me show you all these stickers and everything they dedicated the box to look like because it's so cute. And I found a sticker that reminded me of a certain someone, which is funny. But my parents got me a boo basket. Well, in that case, a boo box. So sit back and enjoy this video. See, look, and they've dedicated this big time. And look at the David Bowie pumpkin. I covered up the words and everything so no one can know where it came from. But my parents did this. My parents are so cute. I can't believe they did this. I've always wanted one and they decided to give me one. So I can't wait to open this when he gets home. Oh my god, this is so cute. And look at the unicorn one. They're so cute stickers. I like them. I can't wait to open it. Okay, so it's such a big deal. Let's open this box. He wants to hand it to me, so I already showed him what it looks like. There's Shadow. My mom's on FaceTime. Don't show her. Shadow. Because I'm sure she doesn't want an up close and personal view. Okay, hand me the box. Okay, so should I not look at it right away?
Yeah, don't look at it right away. Go ahead and open it first.
Can I look down?
You can feel for it.
What the? That's mean! I hate clowns! What the heck? This is disgusting! I don't want that! Get away! I hate clowns. Well, I don't hate all clowns. I hate scary clowns.
Okay, wait. This is that one of the things that you said you were bummed out about is we were having Halloween together for the first time. So we sent you a blue box to cheer you up. So most of what's in there's for you because you've been bummed. But every year your dad chases you at Walmart with that clown face, so now Matthew can do it.
Why the heck would you waste money on that? That's creepy as heck.
Hide in the house and scare you with like your dad. Now there's nothing for Shadow and there's a few things for Matthew.
There's a card. Should I open the card first? Howls and hoots, surges and shrieks, screechers and shrieks, witches and black cats, tricks and treats. And reaching out just to say boo. Happy Halloween. Hope you have a fun first Halloween in your first home together. Love, Mom and Dad. Cute. That clown is, ugh.
What?
I don't like the clown.
See, you almost said the F word. I said she's gonna go. Okay, she didn't say it.
But I tried to not say it. We got vampire teeth.
Babe, look.
Oh, that's creepy. Show the camera.
It lights up too.
Bloody bites. Glow-in-the-dark plastic fangs with oozing candy blood fangs.
You have some of those that have you guys want to. That glows in the dark too. I thought that could go with Matthew's onesie.
That's cool.
Glows in the dark.
We got a skeleton. Cool. I think I know where to put him too. We got Smarties. Are you actually showing what I'm taking out?
Yes.
Okay, wasn't sure.
No, just taking pictures of Shadow.
We got some Halloween plates that say boo. Those are fun. We don't have small ones either.
Well, I thought the stuff for your little get together if you did one.
You Blair Bubble Bear. They're Halloween little earrings. They're little pumpkin spice earrings. I can wear them on Thanksgiving too. Cute.
You're excited, you love them.
I love those. Some more Smarties. Oh, stuff for Shadow.
He knows what they are. He hears the crinkling.
Yeah, he knows what that sound is. We got some Peeps, which can never go wrong. We got Monster Peeps and Skull Peeps. We got some these are for you, I know for a fact.
Yeah.
And more for you. I know for a fact. Oh, we've had these before, haven't we, last year?
Mm-hmm.
They're the Halloween ones. Cool.
For me.
This is an auto mix. It's for both of us.
It's for me.
Rude. We got some newbies, Wizard of Oz. If I might have to play on my laptop though, because I can't find the remote for the thing. We got Gremlins. Hey, these are the Halloween shoes I showed you. We got some shoes. What are these? Oh, some fun headbands. Cool. We got some Halloween pillowcases. Here's one. Yeah, I see two. Two. There's a bat. Cool. We'll put the pumpkin pillowcases on them for now. We got some face tattoos. Yeah. We got a cute little fall bag. Oh, it starts hollow. Cute. There's a shirt in here.
Yeah, that's for you.
I like murder shells, comfy clothes, and maybe 3 people. Shut up. Okay, this I know you bought me because you told me about it. We got an actual tablecloth for our table, which we'll put on today. Some caution tape. More caution tape. And birds. Cool. Thank you.
So some of this for both of you, some's for you, some's for Shadow.
Some's for Matthew. Yeah.
And a couple things I thought you might have fun doing vlogs with.
Yes, for sure. I'm happy. I love it.
And movies and stuff to make a little hot cocoa for your movies.
Yeah. Cool. Thank you guys. And hopefully he showed you all the stuff all the way. I hate that mask. Go ahead and show them.
Scary.
He always does. He always freaking scares me, no matter what day it is.
What's really cool is he puts his onesie on and does that face mask. Look, you guys onesies glow or not?
They do. They glow in the dark.
Yeah, so that mask glows in the dark too. That could be a cool Halloween costume.
Yeah. Alright. Okay. Hold on. I gotta end it. Apparently he wanted to show you up his nose. But I'm really excited. It's my first ever boo basket. Ever.
Box.
But it's a boo box, yes. So I hope you enjoyed this fun thing and that stupid clown mask. And hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. That's creepy. Bye. You recording?
Mm-hmm.
You ready to have your first Halloween treat? It's from Fluffy. I'm in his spot, so he's gonna go to his other spot. Oh, he likes it, Mom. He's sniffing it like crazy.